put these ones here and start making my tacos de carnitas. Oh my god, this is delicious. Look at this beautiful color of the oyster mushrooms. Let's go to have tacos at the park. Come with me, I'm gonna put them to go, and I want to show you a beautiful park in Kelowna, my city. Come with us. Welcome to a new episode of Cooking Time. I'm super excited because today's episode is super special. We are making tacos. Tacos de carnitas or pork tacos. But wait, this show is all plant-based. How are we gonna be making pork tacos without pork? Well, our special and secret ingredients are oysters mushrooms. And for this episode, I want to start just saying thank you very much all my friends for a Story Hive. I'm very happy that you are enjoying these episodes as much as we are. And these are the ingredients for today. We're gonna need oysters mushrooms, salt and pepper. And that's it. Yes, that's it. Super simple, tasty and delicious. We are not doing any pork tacos. We are doing oysters mushrooms tacos. And there is no taco without salsa. And for these oysters tacos, we are doing salsa verde, green salsa. And the ingredients that we will need are 3 avocados, 3 serrano peppers, cilantro, half onion, and 5 green tomatoes. And that's it. So you already know, family. Mate is ready, Bruno is ready. That means it's cooking time! Thank you very much to my backup dancers, Bruno and Mate. I have the best backup dancers that I could ask. But without further ado, let's start cooking. We will put the oyster mushrooms and cut them. Let's put this in the trash. Let's grab very careful the knife. And oh, I was mixing up a little bit. Hold on. Let's heat our pan first. And let's put it actually at 5. As you already know, my stove goes from 1 to 10. I'll put it 5. And I'm not gonna cut them. I'm gonna put them like that in the pan. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's not hot yet. I want them to start getting hotter inside the pan. Like this. Just make sure to spread them as much as possible. And as usual, I'm gonna go to 7 level. And I'm gonna put salt and ground pepper. Salt and ground pepper. A pinch, or according to your favorite amount. I'm gonna put it back. Actually, I'm just gonna put back the ground pepper, but I'll keep here the salt. And then we're gonna use the let me just make sure it's dry and clean. We're gonna use the blender. Sorry, my blender is a little bit broken, but it still works. And as you know, this is a kitchen friendly, all budgets. We don't need to be perfect. We just need to enjoy the process of learning how to cook new recipes. And we are learning together. Let's put the green tomatoes. You can cut it in half, or you can put them you can cut them, or you can put them inside without cutting them. I like to put just cut a little bit the cilantro, and then the 3 serrano peppers, without the head, obviously. And then half of the onion, and let's move the oyster mushrooms. Let's move the oyster mushrooms. And because we are not using oil, I'm gonna add water. Just a little bit of water. So it doesn't stick on the pan. Then I'll put the 3 avocados on the blender. I'll need a spoon. And remember, we need to be multitasking in the kitchen. While we are doing the green salsa, we are cooking the oyster mushrooms. I love this recipe because it's very tasty. Since I stopped eating animals, oyster mushrooms has been my best ally because the texture and the flavor can be very similar to meat if you cook them properly, and they can absorb the spices that we add them. OMG, you know, as I've been mentioning, kitchen is just to have fun. Sorry guys that you have been watching this episode since the beginning, and you probably have been already mentioned in the comments. Tacos without pork, and you are using oyster mushrooms? Tacos without tortillas? We're actually using tortillas. I just forgot to put them in the intro of this episode, but let me get the tortillas. If you want to do them from the scratch, I highly recommend you to go to my previous episodes called How to Make Tortillas. I did an entire episode cooking just tortillas with maize flour, with tortilla flour. So hopefully you like it. In this episode, I'm not gonna be doing tortillas. I went to the grocery store and grabbed some tortillas that I really like. Let me go and grab them. I'm very sorry. Here are these tortillas that I grabbed from my local store. I'll leave them here. And I'll put this one on the trash. Okay, we will add a teaspoon of salt. And then we will add water. A cup or 2 cups of water, depending on the consistency that you would like to get. Then before I use the blender, let me check the oyster mushrooms. Yeah, they are almost ready. Look at the texture. It's looking super good. You see? It's very similar to the color of the pork, I'll say. Pork meat for tacos al carnitas. And I'll get some water. Now that I have added water to the oyster mushrooms, let's blend our salsa. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. So I will say 2 cups of water. Okay, the salsa is ready. I'm gonna put this here. I like to recycle my containers. Let me know if you do the same. And look at the color of our salsa. Whew. Because my blender is broken, I need to be very careful. But that's okay. We are a friendly kitchen. I think it needs a little bit of more salt. Let me clean a little bit here. It's a little bit of salt. Let's taste it. Delicious. Amazing! And then the oyster mushrooms are ready. Look at the color of these oyster mushrooms. I'm gonna put this one back. The salsa is ready. And then I'm gonna cut actually my oyster mushrooms. So look at this beautiful color of the oyster mushrooms. I'm sure that most of you didn't know oyster mushrooms get this color and texture. And because my pan is already warm, I'm gonna use the same pan for my tortillas. These are the tortillas. These are the tortillas that I got from the grocery store. And I'm gonna put 4. I'm making 4 tacos. Oh, and I'm doing a little bit of mess. Let me clean. Okay, in the kitchen we have to multitask. Oh shoot. We are gonna cut the oyster mushrooms. Look at this. Beautiful. And look at the texture of the oyster mushrooms. It's delicious. Okay, now let's grab the tortillas, and it's basically everything. Tacos de carnitas with oyster mushrooms instead of the pork, in less than 30 minutes, I will say. These tortillas were frozen, that's why the texture is not super good, but we are a friendly kitchen. And this is how I will serve it. This is how I will serve it in a restaurant or at home to make it a little bit fancy. So look at this. Oh my God. So I'll put these ones here and start making my tacos de carnitas. Oh my God. This is delicious. Delicioso, friends and family and beautiful people from Story Hive. I know, this is not fair because you cannot eat it unless you try my recipes. Look at this. And they are super fulfilling. Are authentic tacos. Oops. So then you can put it like this. For a better presentation. And then the green salsa. Just amazing. Beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna put it here. We don't need a fork to eat tacos, obviously. And we have tacos de carnitas, pork tacos without pork, with oysters mushrooms, all plant-based. Let's go to have tacos at the park. Come with me. I'm gonna put them to go, and I want to show you a beautiful park in Kelowna, my city. And I want to share the beautiful parks that we have here in the Okanagan. Come with me and let's have some tacos. Mate is ready to go as well. Let me find these ones. Look, when I use these are made for sandwiches, but in the kitchen we need to be creative. Look at that. And I'm gonna leave this one for my wife. And let's go! Hello friends and family and beautiful people from Story Hive. I'm in Kelowna City Park with mate and my tacos, and we are gonna find the perfect spot to have these delicious, amazing pork, no pork tacos with oyster mushrooms. Come with us. Okay, we have found the perfect spot, and it's not difficult because Kelowna and especially this city park is amazing, and I'm super hungry. Let's eat them. Let's eat our tacos. Let's do a close-up. Oh my god, the tacos are a little bit broken, but they're gonna still be amazing. Let me see this one. The best. These tacos are the best. Thank you very much for joining us on this episode, and till the next time. Thank you very much friends and family and beautiful people from Story Hive.